This is your battery right here. Right here is where you plug it in to charge your battery. And this battery very easily can be removed and put back in. And as you can see, it sits almost flush, pretty close to flush, right here in this spot. So you can charge it while it's on the scooter, or you can remove it, put it on a table or something, and charge it while it's off the scooter. Back here is your manual electric lever. So manual, you can push your scooter back and forth. It doesn't. Now it'll roll back and forth. While the power is on, it's not going to roll back and forth, but if you have the key out of the ignition, then you can put it in manual and push it manually. So electric will lock it in position. You won't be able to push it.